Well, hi guys. Not exactly a beautiful sunny day today, rather cloudy, but there's no wind. So I thought I'd bring this video to you by standing out on the back deck. It's much nicer filming out here than it is inside the boat, I think. Boat's moving around. Quite mild still. I have a coat on, but I'm not cold by any stretch of the imagination. And this video today is being brought to you from you. That makes sense. I'm bringing the video. This video is being brought to you today from your ideas. More money saving ideas. And these are ideas you either left in the comments section in the video, or people have spoken to me on the towpath, or you've contacted me on social media or sent me an email, or various other different ways I've received these money saving tips from you guys. So let's get on with it. I'm not going to say who's given me the names to the tips. The reason being is I don't have names for you all. So it'd be unfair for me just to name one or two, where people have spoken to me on the towpath and I don't know their names. And I've had a couple of comments from on Facebook, and they're not using their real names and things like this, or not so much on Facebook, but some of other social media outlets. So I'm not going to use anyone's name. I'm just going to give you their tips. I'm pretty sure they know who they are. The first tip is, one of the tips I sort of lent towards, or this is another version of what I was doing, is hot water. Now this has come, I believe, from leaving the comments section. If you boil too much water, say when you're making your cup of tea or coffee in the morning, you've got leftover hot water, instead of letting that hot water go cold, put it in the vacuum flask. Then you can use that hot water later for washing up, doing your dishes, or whatever you want. Well, I don't actually have a vacuum flask here on the boat. I do have a food vacuum flask, so I'll show you using that one instead. I'll give you this one. It was said to me by somebody on the towpath, but it's not one I will use. It's going a little bit too far for me. But what they do is, when they saw up their firewood, they save all the sawdust which they've used for their chainsaw, you know, quite a lot of sawdust there, and then they add their old engine oil to it and squeeze it up together and make fire lighters that way. That's not one I'm going to use. I don't think burning old engine oil is particularly a great way of making a fire lighter, and I'm not going to approve this one, but it's what I've been told. So entirely up to you guys, but not one for me, I'm afraid. I stick to my vegetable oil. I think it's a lot cleaner. Another great idea as well, as the temperatures start cooling down now, instead of running your refrigerator, if you've got a gas locker, or you can put in a box out on the back deck or something like that where animals can't get into it, store your food there, especially on these cooler days now. Save your electricity and store your food in either your gas locker or a sealed box on your back deck, or somewhere where it's cold, so you can save running the engine to generate that electricity. Another great tip, and that one I believe I received on Facebook. And another one as a firelighter, rather than using firelighters, of course, if you read a newspaper or anything like that, you'll get daily newspapers, or you get newspapers at any time, save your newspapers, because of course you can take your old newspaper, crunch it all up, take the sheets out singular, crunch them all up, put them in the bottom of the fire, put your kindling over the top and light your newspaper, and of course that works great for starting your fire as well. Of course, I get asked sometimes, what's the view like from your boat? Well, although it's very cloudy and overcast today, This is my view. Not exactly a bad one, is it? Rather beautiful, even on a dull, cloudy day like today. So just a short video, just want to bring you those updates of what people have suggested to me, and we'll be back with a cruising video on Saturday, I hope, as long as I can get the video edited in time and uploaded. I'm starting to run short of material at the moment, so I might be dipping away, and this could be the last Wednesday video for a while. I haven't been walking anywhere, so I haven't been off the cut videos, and I'm on stretches of canals at the moment, which I've done before, so anywhere of interest I've already been to. But we'll see, I'll see what I can do, and even if it's just a walking on the towpath, perhaps through the woods or something, I'll try and bring it to you. Of course, a big thank you goes out to all my Patreon, PayPal and Super Thanks supporters. Been absolutely great recently. The support has been phenomenal, and it really does help me. I can assure you, the way the prices have gone up through the roof, every little help really makes a difference to me. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. Hit that old bell notification button. That way YouTube will inform you every time I upload a new video. And click all as well, otherwise they might not inform you. Unless you click that all button, they won't give you all the videos I do anymore. I don't know why, but yeah, click the all as well. That way they definitely will show you all my videos and all my uploads. Well, that just leaves me to say, of course, thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.